If you don't eat potatoes, it's because you've never had them properly made. You'll need 3 medium-sized potatoes. Peel them with care, as everything done with love tastes better. Cut them into medium chunks, not too big or small, and boil in salted water. Cover and let them simmer quietly for 15 minutes to soften. Meanwhile, in a blender, add a good handful of cilantro. Add mayo, garlic, salt, lemon juice, and a splash of water. When the blender starts whirring, you know the magic's about to happen. Once the potatoes are soft, remove and let them cool a bit. When cool, put them in a bowl and mash them up. Use a fork, processor, or even a glass if you're feeling creative. By the way, which country are you watching from? Because in some countries, potatoes are considered sacred. Some fill them, others score them, and some add melted cheese. How do you prepare them in your country? I'm eager to know. Now add a pinch of salt, ground black pepper, 1/2 to 1 cup cornstarch, and that freshly chopped cilantro. Mix it all until you have a beautiful dough that's a pleasure to see. If you made this with another herb, which would you use? Parsley, basil, mint? Don't keep me guessing. Add more cornstarch depending on how moist the potato is. Real question, do you prefer them crispier or softer inside? Because that changes everything. I want to hear how you like them best. Place the dough on a board, divide into 4 or more parts, and knead into long sticks. Pay attention here. If you make them all identical, I need to see you on MasterChef GA. Next, cut each stick into 1.5-inch pieces. Use a fork to create an elegant design that looks restaurant quality but made right in your kitchen. Now fry them in hot oil on both sides until they are golden and crispy. You can also use an air fryer if you prefer. You can also make them in an air fryer. Once they're done, remove them and place them on paper towels to drain. But here comes my favorite part. Serve them with that cilantro sauce we made earlier. Look, this is absolutely incredible. I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart, if you try this and don't fall in love, we need to have a serious talk. Don't forget to rate my recipe from 1 to 5 to let me know if you liked it or if it blew your mind like it did mine. And there you have it, my friend. Perfect potatoes, magical sauce, and zero complications. Who's afraid of cooking now?